Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss how to earn $100 a day. Yes, one of the easiest way to earn money is to provide online services on fiverr.com, guruji.com, freelancer.com. On these freelancing platforms you can perform simple tasks and you can earn money. I'll show you. There are many simple services people are providing, like remove picture background, sorry, yeah, this is the easiest skill on the Fiverr people are selling. It's very simple. I'll show you how it works. Go to canva.com. It's the one of the best online tool. Go there and click on create design. You can go for customize. Yeah, number one, the gig you can go for to remove background from pictures like this. Here you can see 1000 plus orders and 702 orders. Here 921 orders. It's very simple task. I'll show you how you can easily do that. Here we are in Canva. Just go for uploads. Let me check. I have only one picture here. Yeah, edit image. Click on the edit image, and here on the top you'll see remove background filter. Yeah, just click on that. It's very simple. You can see that the background is removed. It's a very simple task, a gig, a skill you can provide on fiverr.com, on guru.com, and same as freelancers.com. Yeah, these are the websites, and one more upwork.com. These are the best website. Here you can provide services to peoples. And let me show you one more easiest gig or skill you can provide on these platforms, like YouTube thumbnail. Let's see. Yes, see there. In $10 I'll design how amazing YouTube thumbnails in 3 hours. I will design cartoon YouTube thumbnails. For $25 I will design catchy YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. $10 I will design YouTube thumbnail that get million views. $5. Like they are getting 1000 plus or 111 576 1000 plus orders here. It's a very simple task. Just go in canva.com. Okay, you have to create account with canva.com. Here you can see YouTube thumbnail. Simply just go there. You'll find thousands of templates here. Look at that. Just click on any of the template, and Here you can simply add any of the fonts or any wording you need according to your client. Fine. It's easiest the service you can provide, and you can check more of that. Like, you can provide any of your service or skill you have. Start today. In few days you will get orders and you will start $100 a day. Your earning will boost. Hope you like my video, like the idea. Just go here, fiverr.com, guru.com, freelancers.com, upwork.com. Go and create account and publish your skill. You will start getting orders, and just deliver your services on time and you'll get paid. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.